we are making a monsoon relief tea because this is a season when people very lazy or not feeling good. So let's start with some herbs which are easily available and they are very relaxing. So I'll start with holy tulsi, peppermint, lavender. Yeah, we all know lavender is very relaxing and it is really useful for many other things also. And our lavender flowers which we have dried under the sun, and our green tea. Now the best part, mix, mix, mix. It should mix very properly so that in every sip we get all the benefits of each and every ingredient. Now here I bottle my monsoon green tea in a very beautiful container. Just press this liquid. Okay, so our monsoon relief green tea is ready.